After a claim for workers' compensation benefits is filed, that claim is assigned to a workers' compensation judge. Different judges have different procedures and rules regarding when and how evidence is presented. Most cases involve the scheduling of 3 or 4 hearings over the course of several months. But all cases consist of 3 main parts. As a claimant or injured worker, you have an opportunity to testify about how the injury happened, what injuries you have, and the medical treatment that you've been getting for your injury. Your doctor will testify, usually by deposition taken at the doctor's office rather than live before the judge, about the treatment he's been giving you. The doctor will give his opinion about the kind of injury you have and whether the injury prevents you from working. Your doctor might also be asked whether you can do some other kind of work if your injury prevents you from doing your regular job. Finally, the workers' compensation insurance company will have a doctor examine you and then testify on their behalf. This doctor will also give an opinion as to the kind of injury you have and whether your injury prevents you from working. The judge will usually conduct a final hearing, at which time will accept all the evidence and set a briefing schedule. Briefs are the arguments made by both sides as to why the judge should find in their favor. It's important to know that there is no set timeline for when a judge has to make a decision in your case. Typically, workers' compensation cases take 9 months to a year to litigate. The claim is then placed in line by the judge for a decision. There is no set time when a judge has to decide a case. Once the judge's decision is received, you or your employer can appeal the decision if there is a legal basis for an appeal. You cannot appeal a judge's decision based simply on the fact that you don't agree with the evidence that the judge accepted. To win an appeal, you must show that the judge misinterpreted the law or failed to consider all the evidence presented.